A very good morning to all of you students. This is GE session and in this video we are going to start unit number 11. It is very important and little bit hard unit, so please you pay attention in this video. The name of the unit is participle. Participle is a part of verb. Means we have done infinitive, after that we are doing participle, and that we will do gerund. So this participle have three types. Mainly there are three types of participle. So first I will give you definition of participle. After that I will give you the types of participle. You are requested to write all the rules in your GE book. Okay. Now what is participle? A participle is a verb that is used as an adjective which is used as an adjective in the sentence and often ends with en, ed, er and ing. These four we have in, there is no er, en, ed and ing. Okay. Next is, it is a verbal adjective, does not work of a verb and adjective in a sentence. It is a verbal adjective which is not used as a verb and as an adjective in the sentence. This is the definition of participle. Little bit long this definition is. Let me explain it. See, a participle is a verb. Mainly it is a verb. Okay, it is used as a verb which is used as an adjective. Though it is a verb but used as an adjective. Here we have, is not. So, it is a verb which is used as an adjective. Okay. So, how to identify participle from the sentence? So, it ends with en, ed and ing. It means verb with ing, verb with en, verb with ed can be said participle in the sentence. It is a verbal adjective. Though, see, verbal adjective means verb plus adjective is equal to verbal adjective. So, it is a verbal adjective which is used as a verb and as an adjective in the sentence. So, that participle can be used as a verb in the sentence and as an adjective in the sentence too. Let me give you example. first of all, let me remind you student, see here it is that a participle is a verb which is used as an adjective. Okay, so let me give you one word. See, dancing doll. So dancing doll, here we have this word. So here this doll is noun, dancing is our adjective, but main form is dance. So this dance verb is dance plus ing is equal to dancing. So this ing form with verb is used as an adjective here. So we can say here that dancing is used as a participle here. Okay, please you note down this. After that I will give you more examples. So student, this is here written that a verb plus adjective is equal to verbal adjective. I would like to give you example of this verbal adjective. Please you note down this. After that we will go for that. Mainly there are three participle. Those are present participle, past participle, perfect participle. These three are the main participle in this text. See, present participle, past participle and perfect participle. Now we'll go for first present participle. Student, this information is not given in your GE book, so please you note down these rules, okay? Present participle, we can identify a present participle verb with ing form is called present participle. In present participle you have verb and after that you have ing form. So verb with ing form which is used as a adjective or as a verb in the sentence is called present participle. Now I will give you example. Please you first note down this, after that I will give you example. Please note down. The twinkling stars are clearly visible. Sparkling diamonds look wonderful. Okay, so here you can see student, we have this twinkling and sparkling. So here in these two sentences, this twinkling and sparkling verbs as words are used as a verb as well as an adjective in the sentence, because these both modify stars and diamond. So we can say that this twinkling and sparkling both are present participle. Both the underlined words are used as a verb and as an adjective. Both modify stars and diamond. Means this both are used to modify stars and diamonds. Please you note down this. Another examples. Here are two sentences written. See, Virat would be a good opening batsman for our team. The winning team was awarded with a good sum of money. So here we have present participle, here we have opening, and here we have winning. Now you can see here, student, this both opening and winning here modify team and batsman. And these both are noun. So the word which modify noun is used as an adjective, and here we have this adjective. But what is the definition of participle? That verb with ing which is used as a verb and as an adjective in the sentence are known as participle. So here we can say this winning and this opening both are our present participle. Both modify batsman and team words. Okay, this way we can use present participle in sentence. Present participle means you have to remember that verb with ing. Okay, please you note down this. Here this opening is modifying batsman and this winning is modifying team. Another example of present participle, let me give you. After the accident, the shaking boy was consoled by the friends. Secondly, when I saw a snake the alarming girl let out a shriek. She kept the laminating sheet in the file. Next 4 number is I was glad to hear the chirping birds song. These 4 are here used. Here we have used participle. Let me identify it. See, after the accident, the shaking boy was consoled by the friend. Here we have this shaking. That is our participle and that modify this boy. When I saw a snake, the alarming girl let out a shriek. Alarming is our participle. Girl is our modified word. She kept the laminating sheet in the fly. Laminating is our participle. Sheet is our noun. We can say modified word. I was glad to hear the chirping sound of chirping birds song. Birds song. So this chirping is our participle and these birds or songs both we can say as modified word. So as you can see student here, these underlined words are with ing. Shake is a verb, we added ing here. Alarm is a verb, we added ing here. Laminate is a verb, we added ing here. And to chirp is a verb and we added ing here. So with the adding of ing, this verb becomes participle which modifies noun or which is used as a verb or as an adjective in the sentence. Please you note down these 4 sentences. Okay students, so this is for today's video. Now I would like to give you homework. You have to write 5 sentences of present participle, means the sentences which we have done today in this video. Okay, we'll go for past participle in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.